is Tiana. I'm 18 years old. I have just completed my gold medals with Drama Scene, and I have been here since the very beginning when they opened their doors in September 2008. And now I'm working here as a student volunteer. Drama Scene has helped me so much just refine my craft by teaching me method acting through Stanislavski and all these different techniques that just help you see deeper levels of acting. I would like to pursue a career in performing arts for sure, and right now I'm currently in the process of applying to universities with the course of performing arts. So I do think Drama Scene and learning about this has really inspired me and really influenced my decision. I think joining Drama Scene just helps you really identify with who you are and realize your identity and explore more into that. But it also gives you real professional drama skills and drama training for the future, and that's really helped me personally.